Affiliate marketing techniques that always seem to work. Affiliate marketing can be a great way to establish a good income with little or no overhead at all. Just a whole lot of honest hard work, dedication, and of course, good information. This video is designed to provide you with some excellent advice on the business of affiliate marketing and help you find your way in and around it to a nice, consistent profit. You should never have to pay to join an affiliate marketing program. Any affiliate program that asks you to pay a membership fee or training cost is more than likely just a scam that is out to take your money. Good affiliate marketing programs are free, because the parent company earns their money from the traffic and sales you send their way. The prudent website owner will take an affiliate's reputation into consideration when he or she decides whether or not to work with the affiliate. Regardless of the potential profits or the sales potential of the affiliate's products, an affiliate that is tough for customers to deal with will reflect poorly on the webmaster. If you have purchased an affiliate product to test it out, do not rely on text alone to give it a positive review. Break out the video camera, comb your hair, and give a video review of the product half how it works, how it helps you, and how it can help them. Allow people to actually see the product. There may seem to be 1,000,001 things to remember about affiliate marketing, so many different things to think of and take care of to cultivate your online earnings from it. Hopefully, this video has enlightened you somewhat to the complexity and confusion, and you are now ready to embark on a career change to affiliate marketing that could very well change your life. Now that you have been told the basics of affiliate marketing, the next thing is to join an affiliate marketing program. Traffic is the lifeblood of affiliate marketing. I have very good news for you. You can get highly targeted traffic from YouTube at just 3 clicks of the mouse. How? By using a software called Widely. Widely allows you to create and rank articles and videos with only 3 clicks. You don't need to create an article, create backlinks, or know SEO technique. The software does it for you. These are some of the things that the software will do for you. 1. Reverse engineers Google Indie ranking system. 2. Finds untapped buyer keywords that can easily be exploited. 3. Gets you ranked thanks to Perfect SEO optimized titles, DSC and tags. 4. Works in English, French, or any other language, and in any niche. 5. Drives 100% free visitors from Google and YouTube. 6. Tap into the massive potential of SEO without actually knowing SEO. Best of all, if you have any doubt, try for 30 days, and if for any reason you are not 100% satisfied, you will get your money back 100%. For a similar platform on the internet, you will be paying a minimum of $97 a month. But with Vividly, you will make only a one-time payment of $47 if you purchase directly from the original creators by clicking the link in the description. Click the link in the description to learn more.